So yeah, this is the room, guys. This is the Best Western Plus. Now, it's not my first choice to stay here, but we needed a hotel that was nearby because we're going on a cruise tomorrow, so this was it. Now, I gotta say, the room itself has an interesting odor to it. Now, the downfall is we have an infant with us. We needed a crib. Best Western Plus does not carry cribs, I'm being told. So, unfortunately, no cribs. I hope my little girl does not fall off of this, and I hope I don't roll over on top of her. But yeah, no cribs is what I'm being told. Not to mention, it's about 9 p.m. We just got in here. We landed in Miami at 6 o'clock. They got one shuttle. They offer free shuttle services, which is great on paper, but they only have one shuttle service, one driver, and it comes every hour. I kid you not, every hour is what I'm told, because we waited there for 2.5 hours. Not just us, everyone that they were picking up were complaining about the wait with the shuttle services. So just keep that in mind if you guys pick this. Overall, the room is large, I'll give them that, but I don't know, I'm not really feeling this. It feels really crammed and dark. I mean, this is with, one light on, I got a couple more lamps, but even so, it's really crammed and dark in here. It's got a really musky feel to it. Now you got the bathroom here. Again, large bathroom. You got the tub with the shower and the hand shower as well. And then of course your shampoo, conditioner, and lotion, body wash, whatnot. Your sink, your toilet, pretty standard bathroom. Overall, I gotta say, it's not super clean, but yeah. And you got your TV, your microwave, and your fridge, so that's included, which is a nice little touch. Some drawers over here, and then again, of course, between the beds, and your table with the lamp, seat, so you can go ahead and put your laptop, do some work, your phone, if you need it, and then your closet right here. So you got your closet space. I'm not gonna use it, but it's there, and then your iron and the ironing board. So everything in there. It's like stains all over the place, all over the wall. It definitely needs to be upkept a little bit. But I'm sure they shuffled through a lot of people in this hotel since it's right by the airport, but still, this is pretty dirty.
Well, there you folks have it, the Best Western Plus in Miami. Now, if you guys have any questions about this place, be sure to put it in the comments below. Other than that, thanks for watching, guys.